Like sick. Twin 67s on a freaking V10 or V12, whatever it is. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another beautiful day in the state of Georgia. Got the American flag in the background. It's really cold today. Temperature dropped about 20 degrees this week, so it's gonna be a real cold start on my car. I'm gonna show you the dash, show you how real cold it is. 58 degrees. It's cold. Get it fired up. Idle in a minute. It's just the way it's set up. We're gonna head to two car shows today. First car show is gonna be mostly Ford Mustangs. It's up at a local dyno shop. They're having Foxcast, I think is his name. So it'll be mostly Fox body Mustangs. We're gonna ride up there with my buddy. He's got a Fox body, and then my other buddy's got a Ford right-hand drive four-door luxury car that's pretty nice. So maybe y'all get some video of that as well. We'll get on the road and meet up with them. Buddy's Ford Fairmont, I think it's clean. Got a 347 stroker in it with a 5-speed. You go. We out here in Mustang land. We're gonna pull up to this shop. There's gonna be so many more Mustangs than there is any kind of G bodies or anything like that. But it should be a pretty cool meetup though. Kind of excited about it. I like Mustangs, so. And I like Fox bodies, so I'm about that life.
I do too. I wanted those repainted. This is dangerous for me because I'm trying to see all like,
dude. That thing's clean. Oh snap! Got the slicks on the back.
Turn the engine in it, dude. Shit.
Dude, that thing's clean, man.
That's gorgeous. That's a gorgeous car.
Oh, look, he's got
LSA
wheels on it.
Oh, there's so at home in this thing.
It's so right.
Grabber orange.
I got my resident Mustang expert with me.
I wouldn't say that.
Yeah, you're the Mustang expert. I don't know nothing about him.
They all turd.
Nah, they ain't turds, man. They're good looking cars. They're just slow. That's all.
And it's the.
I like how they did that. That's what yours missed, man.
I just don't want to do a blower, man.
No one's ever seen the cover and the.
Fuck you, Chevy guys.
What?
Fuck you, Chevy guys.
This is like a screw you, Chevy guys. 5.0 and a freaking C10.
Well, I mean, so for
That's
every
clean.
C10 with a Coyote, there's at least 12 LS Foxes out there.
Yeah. That's clean too.
Look at, I love them valve covers too.
Nice.
That is amazing. Yes.
It's got a proper motor in it. That's for sure.
There you go.
That thing gonna be sneaky. To catch it on the dyno in a second. Yeah, the
Why
one.
would you go out that way to turn left?
So where was this hospital? Or this church?
Right as soon as you.
That thing's sick. Twin 67s on a freaking V10 or V12, whatever it is. Dallas Performance.
Yeah, but it did a little bit. It wasn't like a standard.
Well, the Lambo was sick, but that's pretty much it to this Fox body show. We'll get on the road and head back to the house, and then we'll pick up and head to the other car show tonight. So catch y'all back at the house. Well, we back on the road again. Like Drake said, no one song with Gucci. You know, we back on the road. We're headed to the next car show. See y'all when we get there. I think right-hand drive, straight from Japan, probably straight out of a personal collection, some Yakuza man. That thing is clean. can't slow you up. You gotta get the Mustang guy over here with the Mustangs.
I like the slow stuff.
He'll freak out if you don't see a Mustang in the car show. Oh snap! That is cleaning up the car. Legit. Not real. Well, looks nice.
I mean,
It's nice.
what it
Look,
looks
man, I
like.
don't know anything about Mustangs, so
Looks like a GT. Oh yeah, there we go.
that's my kind of kid right there.
That's it.
Well, that's the end of this meet. We're gonna get on the road and get us some pizza because we hungry, and that's gonna be the end of this video as well. Y'all know the message. If you ain't on the break, you better be on the
Skinny pedal.
We out of here.